They say there are only 4 green sand beaches in the entire world, and somehow I ended up standing on one of them. Papakōlea Beach isn't easy to find. There's no big sign, no parking lot with beach chairs, just a rugged trail, sun blazing, wind in your face, and a view that makes you feel like you're walking to the edge of the world. After nearly 3 miles of hiking, there it was. This strange, alien-looking crescent of green, tucked beneath crumbling cliffs and the crashing Pacific. And yes, it's actually green. Not bright neon, not cartoonish, but a deep olive tone that glows when the sun hits it right. The color comes from olivine, tiny green crystals born in volcanic eruptions, shaped by wind and water over centuries. There were no vendors, no lifeguards, no noise, just me, the waves, and a beach that felt like it didn't belong on Earth. The hike back felt longer, quieter. Not because I was tired, but because part of me didn't want to leave. Papakōlea isn't the easiest place to reach. But maybe that's the point. The best places usually make you work for them. If you're ever on the Big Island and you want to see something truly rare, put this place on your map because it's already on mine. If you like today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe.